A tactical jacket is a versatile outerwear piece designed for rugged performance. Popular among law enforcement, military, and outdoor enthusiasts, it combines durability and functionality. Tactical jackets often feature multiple pockets, durable materials, and weather-resistant properties, making them essential gear for those who require utility and protection in demanding conditions. Links to all the products mentioned in this video can be found in the description below. Now let's get started. Number 10. Outdoor Research Infiltrator Jacket. The pinnacle of performance and protection for your outdoor adventures. Crafted for outdoor enthusiasts and adventurers who demand top-tier gear, this jacket combines cutting-edge technology with rugged durability. The Infiltrator jacket features a waterproof and breathable Vertx membrane, providing reliable protection against the elements while ensuring breathability to keep you comfortable during strenuous activities. With a thoughtful design that includes waterproof zippers, adjustable cuffs, and a helmet-compatible hood, it's the perfect companion for activities like hiking, skiing, and mountaineering. Whether you're facing torrential rain, gusty winds, or heavy snow, the Outdoor Research Infiltrator jacket promises to keep you dry and comfortable, allowing you to focus on the thrill of the outdoors. Elevate your outdoor gear with this jacket, where innovation meets adventure. Number 9. Pro Delta Ace Plus Gen 2 Tactical Winter Jacket. The ultimate outerwear for those who demand uncompromising performance and protection in harsh winter conditions. Crafted with precision and innovation, this jacket combines cutting-edge technology with rugged durability. The Delta Ace Plus Gen 2 features a waterproof and windproof Vertx membrane, keeping you dry and shielded from the elements. Its intelligent design includes insulation in critical areas, ensuring warmth without bulk, while the ventilation zippers offer temperature regulation during high-intensity activities. With a range of pockets, adjustable cuffs, and compatibility with tactical gear, it's a versatile choice for law enforcement professionals, outdoor enthusiasts, and adventurers facing extreme winter conditions. Whether you're on a mission, braving the wilderness, or simply need a dependable winter jacket, the Pro Delta Ace Plus Gen 2 is your trusted companion for warmth, comfort, and performance when it matters most. Elevate your winter gear with this tactical jacket that's engineered for the harshest environments. Number 8. Arc'teryx Leaf Cold Ox Hoodie Men's Gen 2. A remarkable piece of outerwear meticulously designed to meet the needs of tactical professionals and outdoor enthusiasts facing extreme cold weather conditions. Crafted with precision and innovation, this hoodie offers unparalleled protection and functionality. The Cold Ox hoodie features a wind-resistant and insulated shell, shielding you from the harshest elements while maintaining breathability. Its streamlined design and athletic fit ensure mobility and comfort, even in challenging environments. With a helmet-compatible hood, versatile pocket configuration, and durable construction, it's the ideal choice for those demanding the highest performance from their gear. Number 7. Agilite Battle Element Tactical Jacket. The ultimate outerwear for those who demand exceptional performance and versatility in the field. Crafted with precision and innovation, this jacket combines cutting-edge technology with rugged durability. The Battle Element Tactical Jacket features a waterproof and windproof shell, keeping you protected from the harshest elements while ensuring breathability during high-intensity activities. Its sleek design includes ventilation zippers, adjustable cuffs, and a helmet-compatible hood for adaptability in various conditions. With a range of pockets and compatibility with tactical gear, it's a versatile choice for military and law enforcement professionals, as well as outdoor enthusiasts facing challenging environments. Number 6. Amabilis Responder Men's nyco-softshell Tactical Jacket Military Tactical Outerwear. The epitome of tactical outerwear, designed for professionals who demand uncompromising performance and rugged durability. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, this jacket combines military-grade functionality with contemporary design. The Responder nyco-softshell features a proprietary fabric blend that's both tough and comfortable, offering resistance against abrasions and the elements. Its versatile design includes concealed pockets, an adjustable hood, and reinforced elbows for exceptional functionality in demanding situations. Number 5. UF Pro Delta All 3.0 Jacket. A masterpiece of tactical outerwear meticulously engineered to meet the demands of professionals and adventurers in challenging environments. Crafted with precision and innovation, this jacket combines cutting-edge technology with rugged durability. The Delta All 3.0 features a waterproof, windproof, and breathable Gore-Texer membrane, ensuring reliable protection from the elements while maintaining comfort during intense activities. Its ergonomic design and a system of ventilation zippers allow for versatile temperature regulation, even in demanding situations. With a thoughtful layout of pockets, adjustable cuffs, and compatibility with tactical gear, it's the ideal choice for law enforcement professionals, military personnel, and outdoor enthusiasts who require top-tier performance from their gear. Whether you're on a mission, braving the wilderness, or simply need a dependable tactical jacket, the UF Pro Delta All 3.0 jacket is your trusted companion for superior protection, mobility, and adaptability when it matters most. Elevate your gear with this jacket designed to excel in the most challenging conditions. Number 4. 5.11 Tactical Sabre 2.0 Waterproof Jacket. The pinnacle of tactical outerwear engineered to meet the rigorous demands of professionals and outdoor enthusiasts in any weather. Crafted with precision and innovation, this jacket combines cutting-edge technology with rugged durability. The Sabre 2.0 features a waterproof and breathable seam-sealed membrane, providing uncompromising protection from rain and moisture while maintaining comfort during intense activities. Its ergonomic design includes articulated sleeves and a high-performance hood for versatility in the field. With an array of pockets, adjustable cuffs, and compatibility with tactical gear, it's the ultimate choice for law enforcement, military personnel, and adventurers who demand the highest level of performance from their gear. Whether you're on a mission, facing inclement weather, or simply need a dependable tactical jacket, the 5.11 Tactical Sabre 2.0 waterproof jacket is your trusted partner for superior protection, mobility, and adaptability when it counts. Elevate your gear with this jacket designed to excel in the toughest conditions. Number 3. Vertx Men's Urban Discipline Jacket. The epitome of tactical outerwear, designed for professionals who require superior performance, durability, and style. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, this jacket merges urban aesthetics with tactical functionality. The Urban Discipline Jacket features a weather-resistant shell that withstands the elements, while its low-profile design ensures versatility in various environments. With a host of purpose-built pockets, articulated sleeves for unrestricted movement, and discreet yet functional features, it's the ideal choice for law enforcement, military personnel, and urban adventurers who demand top-tier performance and adaptability from their gear. Whether you're on a mission, navigating city streets, or seeking dependable urban outerwear, the Vertx Men's Urban Discipline Jacket promises to deliver exceptional performance, comfort, and reliability when it matters most. Elevate your gear with this jacket that combines tactical utility with contemporary urban style. Number 2. 5.11 Tactical Men's Taclite M65 Field Jacket. A versatile and rugged outerwear option, meticulously designed for those who demand high-performance functionality and classic style. Crafted with precision and innovation, this jacket combines modern technology with timeless design. The Taclite M65 Field Jacket features a durable yet lightweight Teflon-coated fabric that repels stains, soil, and moisture, making it suitable for a wide range of environments. With its plethora of pockets, including hidden document pockets and a stowable hood, it offers exceptional utility and adaptability. Whether you're in the field, facing adverse weather, or simply need a dependable and stylish jacket, the 5.11 Tactical Taclite M65 Field Jacket is your trusted choice for superior performance, comfort, and durability. Number 1. Condor Softshell Jacket. The ultimate outerwear for outdoor enthusiasts and professionals seeking superior performance, versatility, and rugged durability. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, this jacket combines modern technology with tactical functionality. The Summit softshell jacket features a weather-resistant and breathable 3-layer shell, providing reliable protection from the elements while ensuring comfort during strenuous activities. With its strategically placed pockets, adjustable cuffs, and a stowable hood, it offers exceptional utility and adaptability in challenging environments.